What is up, F100 World guys? We're doing another part install MisFitFAB. Oh, you guys probably saw the thumbnail, you know exactly what's going on, but who is MisFitFAB? If you have not heard of MisFitFAB, then you. Calm down, Ricky Bobby. MisFitFAB creates some pretty cool stuff. They got a Kentucky for custom stuff, Fords, but other ones as well. He's a Ford man, he specializes in Fords, and he's got parts for bumps, dents, slicks. It just continues to grow. But the cool thing is that you can actually contact him and send him dimensions, and he can actually try to help you out and make whatever the heck you guys want. It's cool that for an affordable price, you can actually get customization for products for your trucks and your classics in general to the quality that you get watching TV, you know, seeing that stuff. So it's pretty cool. You guys want to see it? What'd I do with it? There it is, MisFitFAB, proudly made in America. Bam. Isn't that cool? It's obviously for this truck behind me.
What better gift to give a loved one than the Jackhawk 9000? Available at Walmart.
Contacted him, we talked a few times. I said, hey, I just want something with my logo. Gave him creative liberty, if you will. He just went to town on it, and I love it. Now, I just did a little podcast with him, might be out. Go check out F100 Talk. But this is gauge 6, or I don't remember. Pretty high quality aluminum. He then does the design, bead roll. Looks like he riveted over here. Powder coats it. So it's not painted, it's not gonna get scratched too easy. And so he made it separate. This is really high quality. He says this is one of his favorites. But I've seen him do some pretty crazy cool stuff. A mix between the new and the old. Saves on weight, likes to race. I want to go fast. Sometimes you got to install things that are motivation to finish the rest, right? Let's get into it. Son of a... I forgot how to take off this molding, so let's figure out together. No judgment. There you have it. Pops out. Kind of looks like you want to split it right here. Don't. And a testament to old school stuff, man. I have lost one broke loose, 2 broke loose down there. Here's a good comparison. So you already noticed the difference. What is going on? This is for a different video. What's going on, guys? Have you hit that subscribe button or the follow button yet? Please do so, as it tells the algorithm that you guys like our content, and it makes it happy so that we can continue to promote parts as well as trucks and other classics to the world. We really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye. Subscribe, hit that follow button. Everything lines up. Woo! That looks good. What do you guys think? Fine chrome one of these or something. I actually really like these because it has the space and it's universal for either door, because you have your little lever that can go up in either side depending what door you put it on. Blowing my mind. Yes, terrible speaker location, not my doing, okay? So I don't want to hear it. MisFitFAB mocked it up on his door, and he has a speaker location like this too. So everyone was like, hey, cool door panel, terrible speaker location. Completely agree. Neither of us put the speaker holes in there. I don't know why they did that. This door one day I'm going to replace. I have one actually sitting right behind the camera there. I can't tell you how many times installing this, I just raked my screwdriver. Not a scratch. It says a little MisFitFAB down here. That's cool. Just goes to show this guy knows what he's doing. He did it with quality parts and did it right. What do you guys think? Guys, MisFitFAB, you can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and I believe MisFitFAB.net on the interweb, as a certain TV star guy calls it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Urging you never to travel to Tijuana.
See ya.